Hello everybody, hope you're all well. How's my new car? So this is a 1970 Opel GT. My friend in Hart Bay asked me to take delivery of it. He asked me to get it for him. He bought it, but he asked me to go and check this vehicle before he buys it. I went, I checked everything. I worked. We went for a drive. Everything worked fine. It had power. We sealed the deal. It got here, and I obviously wanted to take it for a spin, and it then just killed us. So inside, if I start it, it's got a little funny button here. Let's just make sure it's out of gear. You can hear it doesn't sound proper. Sounds like there's a misfire. So we investigated it and we found that there's no spark on this one. So first of all, I went and swapped off all the spark plugs. I swapped over some leads, made sure we've got spark. Yes, we've got spark all the way to the spark plug, but when I started and I pulled the plug lead off, first of all I get a bit of a shock, and then second of all, no difference in engine sound. So number 2 cylinder wasn't firing. We changed the spark plugs, swapped over some leads, still not firing. So I took off the tappet cover and okay, I took off the tappet cover and I found this one lying like this. Now that's why it's not working. So we're gonna set the valves, the tappets. Sorry, we're gonna set the tappets and then we're gonna try and start it again. So all done. And let's see if she operates better. It's neutral. Oh, that sounds so much better. Hooray! Now if I reverse out of here, we're gonna say goodbye to her and load her onto that truck. I think they might move this van off and then pull this one in front. I don't know. We'll keep you updated. Yeah.